Hi, this is Mark Smith from Red Wave Investments. Today I want to spend a little time talking about the difference between a stock and a bond. This is a question that comes up pretty often as I talk to people, and it's an important part of understanding your portfolio and your asset allocation. So a stock, which is also sometimes called an equity, so if you hear about the stock market or equities, this is an actual ownership in a company. So if you own shares in, say, ExxonMobil, you would own stock in Exxon, or you would be an equity holder in Exxon, and that would entitle you to a portion of the earnings or dividends or distributions of the company's cash flow. That's like being a part owner. I mean, in Exxon you'd be a very small part owner, but it would be a part owner in a company. Now, debt or bonds or fixed income, you hear those three words used interchangeably a lot. Again, debt, bonds, or fixed income. And what this means is sometimes companies need to borrow money, and what they'll do is, hey, they could go to a bank, but you can generally get better or lower interest rates, and there's just more available capital if you go out to the capital markets. So they will issue bonds to the investing world. So they will say borrow, again, ExxonMobil might borrow $1 billion from the market. And if you were a lender in that situation, you would own the bonds of Exxon. So they would pay you a scheduled interest payment, generally it's every 6 months, for whatever the maturity of the bond was. It could be 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, etc. So this portion of your portfolio offers a lot more stability and regular income. So there's not going to be the swings up or down that you sometimes see in the stock market, but your returns are pretty much capped to whatever the interest rate, or also called the coupon payment, is on the bond. So again, that's kind of the key difference between owning equity or stock in a company. You really are an owner of the company versus owning bonds or fixed income, which means you're a lender to the company and you collect principal and interest along the way on that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at 717-601-0651. Thanks.